Army Armament, Pit Viper, John Wick 4, regular version. Thank you kay Sir Alwin. So naka metal slide, metal yung frame with license markings, and then naka fixed barrel na rin siya, naka fiber optic sights, naka enlarged magazine release, adjustable trigger, base plate is TTI, threaded din yung compensator nya. Price is 7,500. Test natin. For details, send na lang kayo ng message sa Mavsabi Shop. Naka hammer pad protection na rin pala siya guys. Ayan.